Hi from Lalande and welcome to the second part of last week's present opening. We had so many presents from wonderful, generous people all around the world that we had to split it into two videos. And next week we'll be opening presents with Scotman, who arrived today. This just says America, but it doesn't say we can't do our guessing game. It doesn't say.
Oh,
For the Chatelaine Stephanie,
and it's yellow.
for the bees, butterflies and mummy.
Oh, how lovely.
For Lalande's magical meals. Okay, well let's each open one of these. So
It's
Natalia, she can't have
wonderful.
known you'd be here, but you can open the one for Lalande's magical meals.
All right.
Watermelon. I love watermelon.
In summer.
Watermelon. Hang on, you had some sunflower
Yes,
teddy bear.
yes.
Great, we'll have loads of sunflower
gourmet
teddy.
blend of lettuce.
I love that when
passion
it's
flower now.
lots of different lettuces together. I love that with the different
passion
colours.
flower to climb.
But we were talking about
Yes,
buying
we
passion
were.
flower.
And Brussels
beautiful.
sprouts. Oh, that would be
Oh,
wonderful.
Brussels sprouts. Whoa. This surely is negotiable.
I love it. I love it. I can eat it for you if you want.
Yes.
So, yeah. With an S. Oh, look.
They're
Oh, it's
beautiful.
beautiful, isn't it?
I don't know about you, but my first thought on
Look
looking
at
at
that.
these is breakfast
Breakfast
tray.
in the morning, of course. Of course.
They're lovely, darling.
Oh, what nice. The S from Selmore.
And there's two. Interesting.
So nice.
Wow.
Oh, they're gorgeous.
This must be
They look
all
it.
made it for her.
They're gorgeous. They're napkins.
Beautiful.
Yes.
I hold one of them
Yes,
up.
yes.
Look at that.
They are lovely.
We have 6.
Absolutely
New,
lovely.
beautiful.
Just gorgeous.
Oh,
Oh, it's for Easter.
On the tree.
Look at them.
they
They're
are
beautiful.
delightful.
Next
Delightful.
Easter, all the decoration.
Yes, long live Easter. Come round Easter.
That's wonderful.
And it's a beautiful holder.
Yes.
Beautiful. To line your bread basket and add to the beauty of all your lovely treats. Do you want to open that one?
Yeah, why not?
Look.
Oh, yes, that's beautiful.
Oh,
And we can use
Lovely.
this soon, I
imagine
guess.
for the breakfast. Yes, that's what we were thinking. That soon it's time for the
Soon.
breakfast.
Yeah, it's lovely.
Look, and it would go like that with the bread in the middle. It's
I love it.
gorgeous.
They're beautiful.
Or perhaps the bread inside and you
And
keep
then
it warm.
wrap it round
Yeah,
it.
and wrap it. Yeah, right?
Wrap it.
Like that. Keep it warm. That's
So
wonderful.
pretty.
Thank you.
Oh, isn't he gorgeous?
Look at this.
Look at Santa.
Look at the Father Christmas.
Look. And there's even cotton wool. Look. He will be on our tree this winter. And you're hoping to be here for Christmas, aren't you?
Yes.
So there we
will
go.
see it.
That's the first Christmas ornament you're holding this year.
Oh.
So there were 4 unmarked ones, and apparently they were for you and Marie and me and anyone else. So
I'm
Natty's
anyone
opening
else
one.
today.
You're anyone else?
That's a good name.
We've got to have a camera,
What was yours?
Oh, look at that plate.
Sweet.
Oh, it's so.
Oh, I'm getting behind. I'm getting behind.
Oh, it's beautiful.
Oh.
Mine is cucumber olive
Anyone
oil
else?
soap.
I'm so sorry, but anyone else is still you, Selmar.
Oh yes.
For men.
It's for men.
For man.
Oh
Yes.
yeah. Oh yeah.
Don't touch this.
I love that little sort of
Dish.
lotus type dish.
Yeah.
Isn't that pretty?
Well,
Oh, it's really nice.
This one's amazing.
Smell this one.
Oh yes, that is manly.
Temptation.
Do you want to try my cucumber olive oil?
lovely.
I
that's
really
also
like the
That's
cucumber.
lovely. Oh, there is something about scent
I
which
particularly love this plate.
reaches the soul. I
Scent
find.
reaches the soul.
It does.
Does.
Ah,
Oh, that's so lovely.
thank you. It's wonderful.
Victorian afternoon tea blend.
Wow.
Oh, that's good.
Oh yes, it
Then
does suit.
you have to get out of bed then. It's
In the afternoon. That's it. Even I should manage that one.
That would be exciting to try.
Oh, it's a bold and subtle smoky character that makes for a bold cup of tea.
For a bold girl.
Yes.
Oh, wow.
Oh,
That is
oh,
wonderful.
look at that.
It's nice.
Oh, this is giving me lots of ideas straight away.
What do you think?
Yes.
I was thinking about the Chambre de la Chapelle. I'm thinking of starting to make some curtains in there. It doesn't have curtains yet. And I want something very feminine but very fresh and light. And I think I could use this in there.
Yeah, that's really feminine.
But I can see
Nettie, you were saying that Chambre de la Chapelle needed a bit of blinging up, weren't you? Yes.
That's perfect.
Katie and Laurie, you've given us so much joy. Thank you.
Yes, you have.
Oh, thank you. How do I get in? We need Antoine, don't we?
No, we need that knife of. I might sat on it.
Ooh.
Oh, look at the colours.
Oh, I love the colours straight away. Watching Chateau Diaries has been our daily family ritual after dinner when we sit down and enjoy with a glass of wine your inspiring and often funny YouTube videos. It really brings us delight and joy. P.S. We hope you enjoy these gifts of our beautiful native Australian animals.
Oh,
Look at those colours. All my favourite colours. Oh, love it. I love it.
look how
so gorgeous.
cheerful
So
that is.
gorgeous. Almost makes me want to do the washing up.
Almost.
Almost. That.
Oh, adorable.
They are. Oh, and they're all different birds, Mummy.
But you shouldn't undo them all.
I'm undoing
now.
every single one because I can't stop myself because they're too pretty.
Yes,
Oh, that is gorgeous.
they're beautiful.
Oh, there's more. There's more.
They're beautiful.
Look. Mugs in all the different patterns. Okay, this is my favourite. The two pink birds.
Oh, they're all incredibly beautiful.
And look, there's 4 of us sitting here, and there are 4 mugs. That is
could change the
interesting.
beer.
Lovely.
You like the lorikeet? Right. Looks as though Natty has
Love
her
its
work
colours.
mug. Okay, Natty, work mug.
That's perfect.
Have you ever
I love
seen
the
such a
colours.
pretty thing?
Beautiful.
They should be
the
hanging
colours.
up.
It's a good
You know
place.
where we hang them over the sink.
There.
We'll swap them for
That's
the plain
a good
white
idea.
ones.
Yes.
Yes, beautiful.
Dear Mesdames, Stéphanie et Isabelle, thank you very much for your magnificent daily vlog about life, love and laughter at the Chateau de Lalande. I send you a range of seeds for your gardens alongside a small Meissen plate. No. Oh my goodness.
Oh, it's exquisite.
I can't believe
exquisite.
it. Mark, I've never had anything from Meissen before. We have nothing from Meissen in
No.
this house. It's almost too precious for me to hold. Look. Oh, it's beautiful. That is going up in the dining room. That has to be seen. Look at it,
It's
Mummy.
beautiful. Yes, absolutely.
Thank you so much. And the colours for the dining room. Look, Natty.
That's perfect.
It's just wonderful.
Oh, and thank you so much for the seeds.
It's so thoughtful. Thank you. From Germany. Ooh! Well, straight away, this is a great triumph. You should see Martin's face. Dear Stephanie, here's a little something for you. Thank you and everyone at Lalande so much for all that you're doing. I hope that I will visit Lalande next year in May on my 40th birthday.
Oh, yes.
My husband promised me, and he's very good at keeping promises. You're very lucky.
Pretty
Little bow.
package.
Mama! Oh, look at this. This is the French oil with the little gold bits on it. I love it.
For the face.
Oh, you can use it all over
body.
your body and your hair. So you two got the gold
Yes.
powder. I'll have the gold oil.
Excellent.
A peach bath cube. That's my night sorted. That's my night sorted. Nuxe Rêve de Miel, deliciously nourishing body scrub.
Love body scrub.
And it
Oh,
just,
it's the
Okay, I
scent.
understand. First the scrub and then the oil.
no, first the bath cube,
Oh yeah, the butt cube
then the scrub,
and the scrub.
then the oil, and this one, liquid gold bath elixir, shimmering decadent bubbliness, enriched with softening rose flower water. Someone's
Tomorrow you
losing
will
it. Was it the bubbliness?
It has to be great.
Right?
How you tell it, it has to be great.
Rose gold radiance.
That's wonderful.
And it smells amazing.
Oh, yes.
Okay, bye everyone.
It's beautiful.
Thank you, Anya. Thank you. This is from Barbara. who says that in the box we'll find a small gift for each of Lalande's residents, including one for Jerry and Michael Petrick. So we'll put theirs aside. Mummy.
Thank
So
you.
this is for Marie and Antoine. And Mummy,
Oh,
there's
for
one
Percy.
for Percy.
Wow.
You must keep Percy's aside.
Percy as well. Thank you.
Selma and Diesel.
And Diesel.
And Diesel.
That's so nice.
Antoine. Nick. To Nick and the sheep.
To Nick and the sheep.
To Stephanie and the chapel. And to Stephanie. And underneath Nick and the sheep, to Jerry.
I'm starving.
Dive in. So these are for the others. I can open those when they get back.
Wow, they're beautifully wrapped presents.
Stephanie and the chapel.
Ah,
What does it say? What does it say?
Ducky snacks.
Oh, they look
Diesel.
pretty good, actually.
Ooh, that really good.
They look
Looks like a
very good.
stick.
Yes. Steaks. Steak and sweet potato.
Oh,
ah,
Best
that's so
t-shirt
true
ever.
for you.
Sawdust is
So
man
true
glitter.
for you. Yes,
Oh, that's brilliant.
it's
You've got your new work shirt
extremely
now.
appropriate.
Yes.
yeah, that's a weapon before my working.
Oh, I needed them.
Oh,
I
they're gorgeous.
absolutely needed them. Mine have got holes on all the right hand. Look,
Oh,
What is little
more.
visor?
Nice hat.
Oh, right. We have to see
It's a
that
hat.
straight away.
That is
Oh
nice.
wow!
It's much
Pink
A
as well.
sunshade. Look at this.
Oh, you look superb.
Yes, thank
That's
you.
a great
And
one.
the wind,
Absolutely superb.
and the wind will not
yeah.
blow it.
Look at
Yeah,
that. You can
that's- yes.
you can toggle it, Mummy.
Thank you. Oh, I love this. Oh,
This
wow.
is brilliant. Look, it's fake candles for the chapel.
Oh, that's. We were looking for some.
Yes, look at the amount there
Yes,
are.
it's
There's
wonderful.
a whole huge box full of them.
It's nice for in the here on the
As well,
table.
actually on top of the chandelier as well would be
It's
really
lovely.
great. They're going to be
Thank
superb
you.
in the chapel. Oh, very popular. Very, very popular.
He likes them. Oh, they are good.
That's very animated for Diesel.
It
That's
is.
very animated indeed. Yes. Can you guess? Toblerone. Thank you, Barbara. And I see that you and your husband would like to come as workaways, and we would love that. Especially as you said, you've never had a passport before. And I think that'll be pretty exciting for your first visit to be here with us. We'd be
Yes.
so honoured.
Yes.
Thank you. I can't believe there's more. Copenhagen. Ooh, love Copenhagen.
By the way,
Dear Stephanie, I love watching your videos with my mum. My name is Noah and I live in Denmark. I'm 10 years old.
oh, that's a beautiful name.
Noah is a beautiful name. My mum chose the plates and the chocolates and keyring. One of the plates she chose is a Royal Danish castle, Rosenborg. When she saw it, we thought of your chateau. The second is a Danish church. It reminded us of your chapel. It is also from your birth year. The chocolates and the Lego keyring are for Antoine. We know how much Antoine likes Star Wars Lego and chocolate. We hope you enjoy your gifts. Well, we're putting
Thank
Antoine's
you.
things aside.
Away.
We're not going to open Antoine's now. This is the castle one.
Yes, it's beautiful.
Oh, that's some castle.
Wow.
Isn't that gorgeous? Look at that. 1975. Yes, it is my birth year.
Yes.
And look, it's a perfect Christmas plate. Do you see all the little stars?
Absolutely.
Oh, yeah.
And the bare branches. I love it. We must bring this out every Christmas, especially. Maybe it could have one of the little, a little collection of mince pies at the beginning of the day. We're going to add this to our Christmas ritual. Noah, thank you.
Noah.
So thoughtful of you. Thank you. Another puzzle. This is from Hamilton, M.O. What do we think M.O. is? Missouri?
Massachusetts.
Massachusetts. There isn't an O in Massachusetts.
Oh, it's a no.
M.O.
Ah, Missouri.
That's what I said.
Oh, sorry.
Any others?
Montana.
Oh, Montana. That's. I reckon you're probably
you've
right.
got
It's got to be right.
You've got it.
I'm not sure yet.
Oh, now this is beautiful. Hi, Stephanie. I thought you might enjoy this. Tom,
Look
there's a hedgehog. There is an actual. Then there's a squirrel. I love
It's
squirrels.
adorable.
Oh, it's just gorgeous. It is the most delightful fabric.
Sweet, honestly.
Just delightful. Bunnies, squirrels, and hedgehogs. What a great collection.
And strawberries.
I wish Antoine were here to see this. I think he'd love this one. Thank you so much, Tom. Oh, what are we going to use it for?
Tablecloths.
Actually, what a superb idea. Imagine an Easter tablecloth made in this.
Yeah.
Oh, just for garden picnics, but on
Yes,
a beautiful
yes, yes,
table.
yes.
And then with the cream plates that we've got with the really pretty edge, the border. That would make a beautiful, beautiful
I
table.
think it would be delightful.
There we go, tablecloth it is. This is very, very light. Now, what? Enjoy your gift, Isabel, from Lady Lee Kempter. Oh, Lee had contacted me and asked if you would like this on the Patreon page.
Look. Oh, it's wonderful chimes.
Let's open it and then we can hear them.
Oh, yes, it's lovely.
Oh, I love that
Oh,
sound.
for outside.
It's so delicate.
And then in the wind.
It's wonderful.
It's nice.
Selma's looking lost in the sound. Let's see what happens when we get it close to his head. Yep. Selma is now in a trance.
Yeah, I like it.
Yes, it's beautiful.
You need to find a magical place.
Because
a
it's
place
for
that's
you.
nice
Place.
for
And
contemplation.
one of the arches, maybe?
Or if we build the pergola in the
Yes, we have to
in the vegetable
to make it
garden.
in the garden. Yeah.
Yeah.
It is
Oh,
for
it's
you.
lovely.
It's nice, eh?
Oh, this is very popular. There's not many things that can make mummy just stop and just relax.
It's wonderful. I love it. Thank you. Absolutely. And as you can see, I'm not the only one.
New York. Oh, how pretty. Look at that card. A hummingbird. Joy and peace to all at the chateau.
Thank you.
From Joan. Dear Stephanie, I've been delighted and thoroughly enchanted by peeking into your world at Lalande with your wonderful family and friends. I live in New York City, and a few years ago at the Grand Central Terminal Holiday Craft Market, I was inexplicably drawn to a Connecticut-based vendor who makes tablecloths out of imported French cotton. In spite of the fact that I only had a small round dining room table at the time, I fell in love with it, bought it, but never used it. When I discovered your vlogs in March, I thought, here is the beautiful home it deserves, in the country of its origin. Thank you, Joan. I can't wait to see that. I can't wait.
I can't
That's
wait.
quite a build-up.
Look at the beautiful wrapping. And done perfectly. The French table.
It's yellow. It's yellow. It is yellow.
No way.
Oh, wow.
That
that's wonderful.
is exquisite.
Yes.
It is exquisite.
Lovely.
Oh, that's beautiful.
That's very Provençal, isn't it?
It is.
It makes
It
me
is
think of my
Provençal.
childhood in the south of France.
it's
It is a
sunflowers, you see.
Provençal one.
Oh, let's open it. Let's open it immediately. Think of our wonderful
Anatomy
summer
show.
lunches.
Artisan en Provence.
This gives the full picture. You have to imagine olives, bowls of olives and sun-dried tomatoes that you'll make from your tomatoes. Thank you, Joan. I absolutely love it.
Yes, and it will be used at the chateau.
But you know, as the sun is setting, I don't think we can open any more presents today.
I know you, but
I think we have to call it a night. We've been thoroughly spoilt as well.
very much so.
The tea cozy was blown off
I
the
think the
terrace.
easiest will be to come from the side, actually.
It's sawdust
Yes, you
glitter
are in the
to the
right
rescue.
direction.
You're definitely going the right way, Selma.
Mind the
Stinging nettles.
stinging nettles.
Oh, there's a lot of stinging nettles. Hurrah! Yeah! One of the most heroic acts that's ever happened at Lalande.
You have to with its shirt.
Yeah, and also the hats is particularly good. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you. Bye from Lalande.